So now this is a new Courier Management System for logistics and cargo company. The script has been pre-built with all the information you already need. From this script, it has both admin and user login, where the user can log in and manage their cargoes, their shipment, and the admin at the same time can control everything, most of the thing on the site from the admin panel. Now, this is how it looks. You can see how clean and neat the front interface looks like with the right pictures, with the right keywords that can actually make it run very well. So this is more like this is one in a million. It has the about us pages, the services page, the pricing, contact, and the sign-in page because the user can actually sign in. So there is also provision for map where you just have to put the latitude and latitude of the map and the map appears on the tracking page. Most of the information on the site, like the logo, the email, the address, the phone number, they are all generated from the admin dash n. So I'll give you a quick run over of the admin. So it's how it looks there. Now this is the admin. I enter the password. Now this is how the admin interface looks like. So admin can as well create a user from here and give the user their roles. You can see there are some users there already. So you can as well create a role. You can see the role for the user. This is a member, this is the administrator, this is super admin. So all those roles are there. So we have the information that is to get info about the site. We also have the settings. This is where you set up your email, either SMTP or PHP mailer. This is where you set up the information, some of the information about the site, like the name, the headline, the description, and the currency you want to be there. So, and this way you set some permissions about the script. So if you want username to be collected on sign up, all you need to do is just to take this send confirmation email after registration. You take this. The affiliates might not be effective here, but in case you want something similar to that, something that can be built from this here. Now you prevent user from updating their email. So you just tick the ones you actually want. We send confirmation mail on every update. So on the fourth registration, what should be the role of the registrar? Is it the member, the staff, or administrator? Automatic delete unconfirmed account after that when you now approve an account. Temporary disable sign up. You can choose if you don't want to sign up to be on this platform. All you need to do is just a temporary disable it, then you can enable it any other time you want. So here we have the placement and to add new shipment. I'll explain that soon because that's the main purpose of this script. So here we have an office. This is where you can actually add office. This is the default office. You can as well add a new office, the branch, the name, the email, the address of that new office. We have the variety here. So this parcel, cargo, gadget. You can as well create your own variety, give it a name you want, and it will be added. So we have the gateway because there are provision for payment on this particular platform. On default, I've created two Ethereum and Bitcoin, so you can as well create more, delete all these, and create what you want. Either crypto, bank, PayPal, the script can actually work for it also. All you need to do is you can see you can come under this type. We have crypto, you can use the bank, put the name, put the wallet address, name and wallet address. You can enable, you can disable, and here you can add an icon for it. So here is the payment. You can check the history of payment that has been made. This is where you approve payment. I'll give you a quick run over of that. So it's how that works exactly. So what I'll do now is I'll create a shipment. So you see exactly how that works. Okay, before that, there is also you can see this bell icon, this for notifications. All notification that has been done, it appears here. So you can as well view the notification from here from this bell icon. You can see it has reduced to 7, it has reduced to 6 as you're viewing there or it's reducing. So you can as well sign up from here. So let me go back to the user. Now this is the user. I'll try to sign in. I've already registered. Now this logo and information here is what the information that is entered on the admin end. So for the login details, this is the email address. Okay, and that's the password, and login is successful. Now, when a user registers an account and login, his dashboard is exactly like this. So how this platform actually works is it fetches email address of once you register, maybe some shipment has been done with your email as a sender. Now once you register with that email, you see all those shipments that have been done with your email. So that's how we did this. So you can see a long list of all emails of all your shipments even before you registered on the platform. So once you register, then you're as good as seeing everything you transacted in the past. So this is the dashboard, this is the account, the profile of the user. Note that before the user can do anything, they must first update their profile. Now this is the payment history. This is the shipment that has been made, and this is the new shipment. And for every shipment from the user, they can easily track it from here. Here they don't need the tracking code. You get it? So they can easily track from here, or they can as well click here and print the transaction receipt. So what I'll do is I'll create a new shipment. I'll show you how this works. Now creating a new shipment from the user. Note that the admin also, let me go back to the admin. The admin also can create shipments, shipping, place new. Now when admin clicks on new, see, they can as well create shipment. Now the user can create a part of the shipment and push it back and push it over to the admin. Let me show you. You can see all these details are empty. Now let me make one from the user end so you see exactly what I'm trying to explain. Now this is the information of the user. So let me click on new shipment. Now we have to enter the email address of the receiver. Let's say this is the email address. Let's give it just okay. Let's say Pat Sam. The country, let's say Andorra. Phone number. I'll just use something in order to save time. The state, let me say, I don't know. Address, the let me just say, let me just say Lagos, Nigeria. Then comment. It's not really necessary. I'll just say in good condition. Then I'll send the request. See, send request. Now your shipment request was successfully sent. Click here to view your shipment. Now you can see the one I just sent. This is tracking ID. You can see the approval is pending. Now what I'll do next, payment. There is no payment attached to it yet. I'll show you how that works. Now if I reload here, you can see from 6 it has changed to 7. If you come here, you see somebody just sent in a new order. So you can click here to check the order, or if you come to the shipment, come to placement, you can as well see that new order, which is this. So what I'll do here is I'll click on edit, this view, this edit, this delete, this to print the receipt of it. So I'll click on edit. Now if I click on edit, I'll show you all this. I should explain all this to you how you fix it up, because there is no payment yet done on it. Now you can see because it's the user that created the package, because the user, so the information about the user is already static there. Now this is the information of the receiver that was entered, so the admin have to complete it. Now admin enter the pickup office, among the office that was created, admin select one, then the pickup date, I'll just use any date and time just to save. I'll just then shipment staff who is shipping. So you can see the list of all the staff that the admin created. Staffs are still part of the user. It all depends on the role the admin gives to the user. So expected delivery date, I'll just use this. Then all the shipment status, I'll say, let's say Q. Price, let's say price attached to it is 500. It's a dollars, as you can see. This currency symbol is entered from the admin. Remember, we're already in the admin. The comment in good condition, approval is pending. So the admin can change it to approved. Then can click here to notify client about approval change. Then you click on update shipment. Shipment detail has been updated. I click OK. I didn't give it a name, so let me just give it a name. Now it's undefined on default. Let me just say it's bag of salt. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll still scroll down and update, so it has a name. Now I can view the tracking from here. You can see the information for the package. There is nothing there yet. There is no map, so I'll show you how all those can be set. So coming back here, we have the history, we have the package. On that package, I click on package, I click on add package. So it's more like this package is more like history, creating the package for that particular shipment is kind of different from the history. So here you can select an image if there is an image for that particular product. Look, I think I have an image here, Bitcoin. I'll just take it. The name, I'll just give it salt. The weight, let's say is 35 kg. The quantity, there are actually 3 bags. The variety is cargo. Then I click on add package. Package was successfully added, you can see. So you can add more package, more package, more package. There is no limit to it. Now let me come back to the tracking page. You can see on that package there is nothing there. Let me reload it. Now on that package there is now something there. So this is how it looks now. So what I'll do is I'll come back and under the history, I have to create a history. You can see for now there is no history here yet. So let's say history can be the current location of that particular shipment. Now let's say it's in let's just say Benin, or let's just say it's in Nigeria. Lagos is in Abuja area. Let's say Kubwa. There is provision for latitude and longitude, which will make a map to display. Now, before I do that, let me click on add track. I want to show you something. You can see the tracking has been added. Now, if I come back to this tracking page and reload it, can see there is a history. Now, because no particular longitude and latitude was added, you can see how the map displayed without really giving a specific place. Now, what we can do now let me go back. I can edit this map. No, latitude 0, longitude 0. I can click on edit. But before that, let me go to Google. There is this, I'll add this in the README file. That's what we call, I think it's loglat, something like that. Okay, lat long. It's a place you can actually get the longitude and latitude of places. So what I'll do now, I'll click on edit. Now you can see I use Abuja, Kubwa, Abuja. So if I come to this place, you can see the way London, UK. So what I'll do here is Kubwa, Abuja. So if I click on find, it gives me the latitude and the longitude. So I just copy the latitude and I'll replace it with the latitude here. I also copy the longitude and I'll replace it with the longitude here. And I'll click on update track. Now, since I've clicked on update track, watch what happens to this map. Let me reload. You can see the map is actually pointing at Kubwa. So you can add more history. Let's say it's still in Nigeria. Let's say it's in Lagos area. Let's say Ikeja. Longitude and latitude of Ikeja, Lagos. So from here, this site will give me the longitude and latitude of Ikeja, Lagos. Now this is the latitude, and for the longitude, this is the longitude. Click on add track. And if I come here and I reload, my network is not so sweet. I can see, and the map is actually calling from the second one, Lagos. So the map is actually draggable. So you can increase the package if you want. So this is what we actually have for you. So another thing special about here is the gateway, the payment. If I click on payment now, you can see the recent payment is actually approved. That's for this one. Now what I'll do now is for this particular shipment, if I click on placement, okay, let me show you how to print. If you click here, and this is it. So you can just print your package. So you just click on print. So now I'll show you this how to print. So on the printing, you can see the status there is actually unpaid. You can see the fee, shipping fee, nothing has been paid. Now this is dispatch, this is the package. So now let me go back to the admin, to the user. Now this is the user dashboard. If I click on the dashboard, if I click on shipment, now this is the tracking where the user can actually track. Now you can see now the payment is unpaid. It has been approved now and is currently unpaid. So for the user to make payment or trying to print a receipt, they click on here, which is where you print a receipt. Now there is select payment method. Now payment method I've entered is Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'll select Bitcoin for instance. So what the user needs to do now is to make payment to this wallet address. After that, they enter the transaction ID. I just use this as the ID. Then a screenshot of the payment. I'll just use this Bitcoin to Naira shipment I have here and click on confirm payment. Your payment request is being confirmed. So now if I come to payment history, you can see the payment that has been made is being confirmed, is still pending. Now if I come back to the admin, now this is the admin. I come to payment, click on history. You can see the payment of $500. So what I'll do next is as the admin, you click on this edit button. On the edit button, now this is the screenshot. This is the screenshot. The payment status. So after you confirm the payment, and this is the your wallet it was paid into. After you confirm the payment, to confirm it, you click on approve or you can reject. So I click on approve. After clicking on approve, you can check here. So the user will be notified via email that the payment has been confirmed or it has been approved. So you select update. Now if I come back to history, you can see it's now approved. And if I go back to the user end and reload this page, you can see it's pending now. Now it's now approved. Now on the shipment, user can now click here and print their receipts. So this is just how we made this to be. I hope you love it so much. So all our product is still open for further modification. So it's not really what you want. It's something you can still contact us and we know how to make it suit exactly what you want it for. So this is the notifications. A payment request came in. So you, as the admin, your eyes should always be on notification to know if there is a message. Thank you so much.